Welcome to the Pioneer Road Vineyard Estate, located in the beautiful rolling hills of southwest Medford. This 63-acre property features a custom estate home with over 5,000 square feet of living space, beautiful views, 17 acres of vineyard, and 50 acres of water rights. Located in a region known for its beautiful rural estates, vineyards, and productive agricultural lands, the area is also a developing wine region and niche agricultural community. As you enter the property through the private gate, you're welcomed by the main home and beautiful setting, which boasts views of the vineyard, ponds, and gently rolling valley. The home enjoys over 5,000 square feet of living space and an open concept floor plan with energy-efficient construction. The modern design is light and bright with clean lines and stylish finishes. The main floor includes grand vaulted ceilings, a spacious and flowing living space, well-appointed kitchen, dining area, an expansive master suite, with reading nook overlooking the property. The lower level has an expansive finished entertaining space with wet bar, 2 guest suites with full bathrooms and patio access, a large and fully insulated storage room, and a utility room. The home is constructed with both I.C.F. and Structural Insulated Panel construction, which provides great energy efficiency. There's also an expansive outdoor living and entertaining space, including a lower patio and upper-level deck. The views from the deck and living space are nothing short of breathtaking. With your own vineyard in the foreground and the mountains in the distance. The rolling topography provides not only a beautiful setting, but a premium canvas for growing wine grapes and other crops. With distinct 4 seasons with a mild winter, exceptional growing seasons, and abundant water, Southern Oregon is a winemaker's paradise, as it allows for more varietals to be grown than possibly any other location in the United States. The property features over 17 net acres of vineyard, including 5 different varietals. The soils are a mix of Class 1 and Class 4 irrigated loams, allowing for great agricultural potential. There's also ample room for vineyard expansion or other niche agriculture plans, with a total of 50 acres of water rights from Talent Irrigation District. The 2 ponds complement the property and provide irrigation water storage. The property also benefits from various outbuildings, including a shop, greenhouse, and farm office. The combination of the custom estate, vineyard, additional irrigated acreage, stunning views, location, and overall property setting makes the Pioneer Road Vineyard Estate one of the most attractive offerings in Southern Oregon.